Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos taste better. First, let's talk about the foundation, your taco meat. Browning your ground beef or chicken until it's deeply caramelized creates incredible depth of flavor. Don't just drain the fat, let it contribute to the richness. Then, season generously with a homemade blend of chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of oregano. Simmering the meat with about 1/4 cup of broth or water allows those spices to meld beautifully, making every bite delicious. Next, let's focus on the magic of fresh toppings. These aren't just garnishes, they're essential flavor enhancers. Finely chopped fresh cilantro and diced white onion provide a vibrant, aromatic kick. A generous squeeze of fresh lime juice over your finished taco cuts through richness and brightens every ingredient. For an extra layer of texture and a subtle peppery note, try adding a few thin slices of radish. These simple additions make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the unsung hero, the tortilla. A cold, stiff tortilla can ruin even the best taco. For corn tortillas, gently warm them directly over an open gas flame for about 30 seconds per side until slightly charred and pliable. If you're using flour tortillas or don't have a gas stove, a dry skillet works wonders. Heat them for 15 to 20 seconds per side. Always wrap your warm tortillas in a clean kitchen towel to keep them soft and warm until serving. Finally, the right sauce can truly elevate your taco experience from good to unforgettable. Don't settle for just any salsa. Find one with fresh ingredients and balanced flavors that truly complements your chosen fillings. A creamy element, like a homemade avocado crema or a simple sour cream thinned with a little lime juice, adds luxurious richness. For a smoky kick, a chipotle-based sauce provides a wonderful depth and a pleasant, lingering heat. Experiment to find your perfect pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.